So you're thinking about pursuing CMMC certification. On average, you should plan for 3 to 9 months. This depends on where you're starting from. If you're already close to NIST SP 800 to 171 compliance, you might only need a few quick fixes to get to level 2. But if you're starting from scratch, expect a longer timeline, especially for documentation and control implementation. First, we'll scope your environment and identify your CMMC level based on your contract requirements. Next, we'll perform a detailed readiness assignment against the CMMC practices and processes for your level. Then we'll help you implement the security controls like network segmentation, audit logging, and employee training. We'll also build your evidence package, which includes policies, screenshots, system configurations, and process documentation. And finally, we'll coordinate with a C3PAO to schedule your assessment and guide you through the audit process. Our clients often say that our hands-on approach is what makes certification achievable and much less stressful. So how do you get started? Reach out today and let us tailor a CMMC roadmap for your company.